According to the United States Flag Code, when a flag is no longer able to be displayed in a dignified way, it is time to retire the flag. So how do you know when your flag is no longer able to be displayed in a dignified way? When your flag is tattered beyond repair, it is time to retire it. When flying your American flag, it is very important to check frequently for dirt, wear, and tear. You can wash your flag in cold water and mild detergent to retain its original appearance. You should also check the fly ends of your flag frequently and have it repaired at the first signs of wear and tear. The most appropriate way to retire an American flag is to burn it. Throughout history, burning or cremation has been long considered a dignified way of paying honor to a person or object worthy of respect. There are many local community organizations that have been properly trained on how to retire American flags. However, the Flag Code does not require a specific organization to retire flags, which means that anyone can do it. Make sure the flag is burned in a non-public setting. Make sure that you create a fire that's sizable enough to burn the flag in its entirety. However, that's not so large that it will carry bits of the flag off in the wind. Please note that flags made with synthetic fibers burn quickly and emit toxic gases, so handle with care. You can cut the flag into smaller sizes before burning it. First, you would separate the field from the stripes and then separate the stripes from each other.